Study of water
Study of runoff,
runoff.
volume of runoff.
Yes, sir.
What are the types of engineering structures to construct against the gully to check soil erosion?
Sir, trench farming, bunding, then contour bunding. Sir,
Other permanent structures?
sir, I don't know, sir.
Don't know. ठीक है तो पढ़ी होती है
Okay,
So you are now continuing PhD in floriculture and landscaping.
Yes, sir.
And what do you mean by broadband furrow system of planting?
Drawback?
Broadband furrow system of planting, BBF.
So it is generally followed in potato cultivation where water irrigation is done to cultivate.
Why it is important and in which area you should go for broadband furrow system?
Sir, in low lying.
So you are horticulture.
Yes, sir.
How horticulture helps in soil and water conservation?
So horticultural
Give your
crops.
views. How you will be helpful in soil and water conservation?
Horticultural crops include plantation crops, fruit crops, ornamental crops, and medicinal aromatic crops.
Which plantation crops you go for watershed development program?
So cashew, coconut, coffee.
Coconut can be grown anywhere.
In coastal areas, it can be grown. It protects against sand dunes and coastal erosion.
Which area is generally prone to soil and water conservation?
So arid and semi-arid areas, they are prone to soil erosion, and humid areas is prone to water erosion.
Why erosion is more in Odisha in comparison to some other state? Why?
So Odisha has dry and humid climate.
Dry and humid climate.
It
Who is
has-
responsible for erosion? Which agent is responsible for soil erosion?
So natural agents, soil and water, then deforestation, then farming activities. These all promote to soil and water erosion.
Rainfall. Must be
Rainfall.
rainfall.
Yes, sir.
Wherever heavy rainfall is there is more soil erosion is there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, heavy rainfall is there. What is the average rainfall of our state?
1498 millimeter.
1300?
98 millimeter.
98 millimeter. How, what is measured in a millimeter? Rain water is generally it is water. So, all of the water is expressed in a volumetric basis, either in a cubic meter, in liter, cubic millimeter, cubic kilometer, like that. What we are expressing is millimeter or centimeter.
So it is measured
Can
through.
you estimate how much water we are getting in our state on volume basis?
So it is
Only
measured.
data provided your rainfall
Yes, sir.
is 1400 something millimeter. Can you estimate how much volume of water we are getting through rainfall in our state?
Sir, it is measured through rain gauge.
Rainfall will give you this much of a centimeter or millimeter of water you have to receive through rainfall. Can you estimate the volume of water we are getting? Huh?
Sir, sorry, sir, I don't know.
Do you know how much water we are getting out of the total country? How much water our state is getting out of total country? Country ଯେତିକି ପାଣି ପାଉଛି ଆମେ ଆମ ରାଜ୍ୟ ତାକୁ କେତେ ସେୟାର କେତେ ଜାଣିଛ?
Yes, sir.
How much? 10% water we are getting through rainfall. Understand? Okay.
Why soil erosion is a major concern for the government?
Sir,
Or the why is it a so concern?
so soil erosion leads to the depletion of the nutrients, mainly macronutrients, micronutrients, and these affect the growth and development of the crop. It also affects the water resources.
How it affect
It
the water?
pollutes the water. The soil erosion pollutes the
One
water.
pollutes the water, then what else?
It also affect in the depletion of the beneficial microorganisms.
तो कहल सॉइल इरोजन हो गला सॉइलटा अफेक्ट है न्यूट्रिएंट स्टार्टर तापर परवर्ती कौन सब कहूँ क्षति कहूँ हेवी स्केल रे सॉइल इरोजन हेले कौन हुए
सर स्ट्रीम सेटा गली इरोजन की स्ट्रीम
हेवी स्केल रे सॉइल इरोजन हैला पर कौन से तार
लैंडस्लाइड्स
लैंडस्लाइड तापर लैंडस्लाइड हैला पर कौन हुए से लैंडस्लाइड है कि कौन डिपोजिट दिबे सेडा
सबु माने तळे जो स्टीप ये एरिया अच्छी लो लाइंग एरिया सेठी आसी की पड़े
ह्यूमन हैबिटेशन को अफेक्ट करे ता सहित आ कोन करे
सिविलाइजेशन और जत्ते सब हम नेचुरल
आवर
रिसोर्स
गोटे सिल्टिंग हुए नि आवर जो हीराकुद बंध जी तार डीप थला वाटर होल्डिंग कैपेसिटी सीटा अच्छी कि कहीं नहीं
सिल्टेशन पाई
वेजिटेशन कहीं हो
सेटा वाटर सेटा
कमन क्वेश्चन सिल्टेशन सिल्टा कौट आसला जो आसला से हेवी सिल्टेशन कहीं सॉइल गुड़ा कहीं आसला कौन है आई कटिकिया कौन असुविधा होटा भी गोटे ये तो ना वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग पॉइंट हम दैट इज गोटे वाटर सेट ना हम ना नहीं
यस सर
अरे जो हीराकुद बंध डैम गोटे वाटर सेट ना नहीं तार जो कहते रिपारियन सर कौन से करते जो आसूची तार पानी कैचमेंट कैचमेंट कौन होते सिल्ट आसुचे कौन
सर सेटा अपर एरिया रो
अरे कैचमेंट रे कौन इंटरवेंशन होउची वेदर इज नेचुरल और
वाटर इरोजन जोटा होची
कौनटा होउची जे एते वाटर सिल्ट आसुची सैंड सिल्ट क्ले जाऊ डिफोरेस्टेशन एना डिफोरेस्टेशन हमर जोते सीटा होची मेजर कॉज
डिफोरेस्टेशन पे सिल्टेशंस गुडा को
अच्छा कहले तमे कौन करछो फ्लोरिकल्चर is your landscaping has any relation to soil conservation?
Yes, landscaping. We can do landscaping of watershed. It helps to protect the soil, the trees, fruit trees, plantation crops, and
What
avenue.
is the main features of landscaping?
Sir, main feature is to it helps in carbon sequestration. It also helps to protect the.
सारी काहे आ जाउछो लैंडस्केपिंग रे कोन आमे किछि मेजर परिवर्तन करे ना आसस लैंड जा अछि ताकू करी कि दैट लैंड को हमें गोटे ऑर्नामेंटल शेप दिए
हमें ऑर्नामेंटल शेप गोटे दोछि सेथरे एस्थेटिक ब्यूटी भी बढ़ुछि
ओके ओके थैंक यू
Okay, we'll go now. All the best.
Yes,
For your
thank you.
post. Who was my apply to do?
Assistant Soil Conservation Officer.
हेलो हां
ठीक है, हम भी पढ़ाई करो।